How to change YouTube channel name and URL. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your YouTube channel's name and URL. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your YouTube in a web browser. Make sure you're logged in into your YouTube account. What we'll do is we'll first head over to YouTube Studio. To do that, tap on the top right corner on your profile icon. Then you'll find the YouTube Studio option. Tap on it. And YouTube Studio should start opening up. After you're on YouTube Studio, tap on the top left corner on the three lines. And you should see your YouTube menu like this. After you're here, you'll find different options. So from the left hand menu, scroll down and there you'll find the customization option. Tap on customization. Then after you're here, you'll find your profile. There you'll find the name option. Change the name from here. After you've made the changes, you can then change your link. Your link will also get changed. So after you've done all of this and made sure you're satisfied with the name, you can tap on the publish button right here. After you tap on publish, the name will be changed, and yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.